This is at the Comfort Inn, right? Comfort Inn in Niagara Falls, Ontario.
This one. 201. Where's 201? Oh, this
Down
one.
here. You're lucky. How about that?
Thank you. Basic cat. What floor? 8. 8.
You're the elevator inspector.
I'm interested in elevators.
I can tell. Yeah.
I just like to film them where we stop through.
Okay. You need to take the one on the outside of the building over at the Skyline.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's pretty
That one's
cool.
neat. Well, you guys have a good day.
You too. We'll try to get in our room.
Yeah, if we can get in. Take care.
Bye.
Right down to 1. Here's the fixtures. We got the barrel buttons. I like these.
According to the certificate, this is a passenger elevator.
Really? I thought this was a freight.
Stop at the floor.
I like how the arrow, I like the animated scroll here. This elevator's kind of old and creaky.
Yeah.
This apparently used to be the Horseshoe Falls Motel.
This gives me Montgomery vibes.
True.
I like that name. Let's look at the door track. It might just be an order.
I think it's northern. Oh yeah, look, these are all the main cards. Back at 2.
Go first with the suitcases.
Thank you.
A whole bunch of people getting these, oh boy, and there's a whole line.
201 to 210. So it says this way. So, wait a minute. So we're on 205.
Oh, this is too. Sorry, I guess.
205 down this way.
Down this way.
Yep.